I used to be a banker. Now bank I dey work before. Stanbic IBTC Bank, they here. Stanbic, are you here? Stanbic staffs, are you here? The ones they work with me, where they do? They hide. Because they know what they do me. How now carry me for marketing department? I work for Stanbic marketing department. I trek sote road safety come and say come. They say I don't try. This my shoe deserve plate number. Nothing I don't see for that bank. For Stanbic, I do, my chairman, you are here? You see, I got the door. If you see the way I find you, thank God that you carry yourself with the money come. And you must give me that money before you come out. As a banker, you can never make heaven. I said it today. Any banker here, nothing make heaven. Because all the bankers are liars. Quote me wrong. Everybody that works in a bank, Abalanzi, na liar. Or this man a banker. You don't see a head. That time, my branch manager can't carry me go one seminar. So for that seminar, they can't talk, say, I can't look and I can't say I go talk. Because I see people go open accounts for that place. My branch manager, Evelyn, that time, who can't go the place. She can't say, please, work with Stanbic, but I can't tell her, say, madam, relax. Let me talk to them. Bad market how I be. I can't begin talk. I said, I work with Stanbic Bank. What I came to market to you is Chase account. It's called Chase account. It's for the children. Now that account, when you open that account, the child will not be the signature to the account. When you give birth to the child, we will snap the child from birth. His passport will be there. You can give a standing order that 20,000 or so can leave your account to the child's account. When the child gets to three years, the child will write a Stanbic Chase scholarship exam. My branch manager look me. As I know that she don't I don't lie. But when she don't distract me, I don't look her. I continue. But me, I don't say I lie, you. So after 3 years, when the child writes Stanbic scholarship exam, if the child pass, Stanbic will now give the child scholarship up to university level. My branch manager say, I know see answer her. And they go say, really? Because okay, we open the account. They can't open like 500 accounts. I can't pack account form. Now we enter car, they go. As we live for back seat, my branch manager sit down here. And the next day I just face window. They look. They look me, I they look outside. She can't say, Osas. I said, She said, I didn't know that Stanbic is allowing scholarship from 3 years. I said, madam, before the beginning to reach 3 years, you go don't resign or they don't sack you. I mean, they plan to work for the bank for life. I'm telling you, that time, bank, after I can't leave bank, I couldn't find another work because marketing was too hard. I find work, I don't see work. The next day I can say I want to leave Nigeria. I want to go US. If I had known, I would not near US embassy. That is the most wicked embassy in the world. US embassy, no matter how stubborn you are, the moment you get to that gate of US embassy, one natural humility they call your body. Instantly you will just humble. When you just enter, they'll come ask you, say, where you they go? You say, you want to do interview. They'll come check your documents. Immediately you chook leg, enter US embassy. You can't see everybody they walk out like say they want to go receive Holy Communion. Because already the agent not tell you, because from that entrance, they will know whether they'll give you visa or not. So people don't behave themselves. As you reach inside the embassy, they're going to ask you your passport. People will never go more than they hear this stuff. Your passport. That time. That US embassy, don't be saying that the joint line they work out. When I go sit down, I nyash and the shit. Nyash. Till you can't reach where line be. That is the most wicked embassy in the world. There is no secret interview. They get glass. Why will you go there to just stay? As you go there, you want secret to your interview. You say hi. Why are you going to the US? Can you do some voice? I'm not telling you the talk. He said, why are you going to the US? to somebody. It never reached my turn. I come to think, I say, God, how I want to answer this question? One house man ready for the line. The house man say, hey. He said, are you going to be pony? I said, no, okay, you did my friend. He said, you would have done the pony because I'm scared for him. I said, no, go. And he just encouraged the house man turn. And before he reached the turn, he got them because he can't, there's nothing there. I'll go and do it. Nothing. They'll ask me a question, I'll answer them. I said, I see you see them, go. I see what I do there with confidence. Now the woman and say, why you want that question? No matter who you be, they ask you that question, they want to stabilize you. Why you go to the US? The house man look the woman like this. The woman said, why are you going to the US? He said, what did you ask me? The woman said, why are you going to the US? He looked at him and said, can I call my wife? And your wife sent you here. I'm telling you, before I can't can't meet my guy. Shortcut. Where's shortcut? Please, shortcut, stand up. Stand up. Can you all celebrate shortcuts? Shortcuts. For me, I can't do role, can't do comedy. And so we can't do see me today now they do show. Is it not grace? Celebrate grace. Now, in case you don't know, there are two types of Igbo men in Nigeria. Are Igbo here? Igbo kwenu? Igbo kwenu? No. If Igbo here, they will talk. Igbo kwenu? Igbo mamanu? He said, well, at the end, as I say Igbo kwenu, now someone say, hey. It don't concern you. Hey. Igbo kwenu? Now, we have two types of Igbo men. Igbo man wey go school, get money. Then Igbo man wey no go school, he get money. Now, the Igbo man wey go school, get money, get high day waka. Like that balance now. Pot belly, one leg, K. Yes. Now, take note of the Igbo man wey go school, get money, then they get hustle and bustle, Cubana, diamond leads, he sing giddy them. One leg, K, pot, belly. Understand? When they enter events, see how they work out, they always make call. They always make call or they do transfer. When they want to enter, see the kind of song where DJ will play for them. They go to bunch. I'm going to the entire event. Don't say to the entire event. Now, that's why they have balance. They don't get a problem. The chair when they reserve for them, they will go sit down. Now, the other Igbo men will not go school get money. Those ones when they stand, they go start their leg, they go back. They don't ever wear trouser. They wear the quarter when get pockets for side. Because of their leg big, if they wear half cover and half they enter. They always like to hold plenty key. They sell for all these apples, spare part, go to market. They always like to go 6 o'clock mass for Catholic Church. And they support Chelsea. Now, I don't be Chelsea to support. Because if you are not Chelsea, you are not. Those ones, if they want to enter events, they like, after they don't wear 3/4, we get pocket, wear shirt, we tight their belly, the bottle will come to open like this. They like hold purse for armpit. I mean, who get purse? BNU. If you say $, inside, you will not give me this purse. Now, they hold purse for armpit. See the way they waka. Una check out, DJ. Play that noise. That's all they waka. Now when they enter events, you chair when they reserve for them, they don't go sit down for that one. And then when they reserve for chairman, they'll go sit down. Here now. I think sit down for the chair where they keep for chairman. Usher will come meet and just say they reserve the chair. When I go here, waiting go tell the usher. Who go help me do usher? Who have better voice? My sister, can you do usher for me? Yeah? Let me check your voice. Hi. Must you show us in our Papi this day? I mean, can you help me just say, sir, this chair is reserved for the chairman. That's all. You come and meet me. All right. DJ, play. When she want to talk, you stop. Take.
Excuse me, sir. This chair is reserved for someone.
Come, no, you pay attention. This chair is reserved for the chairman. Which one is someone? Is someone the chairman? This chair is reserved for some chairman. Oh, yeah, ask me again.
This chair is reserved for chairman.
Come now, never finish. Come. Stand. Now the man will go reply you. When the man reply you, you can't tell him. Ask me that question again.
This chair is reserved for the chairman.
Who be the chairman?
Agbalanze.
How much you get? They don't ever get respect for chairman. Those men, Abalanze, you know them now. Then you say Abalanze, you go say, you go Abalanze. They're going to go you.